Uh, right now I am talking about my homeland. This name is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the beautiful country. It is almost 1971 before was that is part of Pakistan. That time its name was East Pakistan. Bangladesh got this independent 1971 16 December. So I like my Bangladesh very much because I am proud citizen of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has so many things. There is we can proud for that. For example, Bangladesh have one big sea beach that is name is Cox's Bazar, and Bangladesh have so many tea garden, and we export our tea to the other countries. We earn foreign currency from that. Bangladesh people is very nice. They are most of people are Muslim. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we love him as a Muslim. Secondly, I love Bangladesh because of Bangladesh people are very peace of mind. Bangladesh officially Bangladesh government name is People Republic of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has so many paddy land. There is our farmers. Their growth this paddy, for example, rice, jute, etc. Bangladesh have so many industries. And that is famous is the garments. Garments industries are earning money from these other countries, and we export our garments item to other countries. For example, America, Britain, Germany, etc. And Bangladesh have so many rivers, and rivers gives us water. This water we are using to our field to irrigation. And from rivers we are getting some fish, and fish also it is very important for our Bangladeshi people. We are used to eat maximum time fish and rice. And our Bangladesh have now currently this government is running, that is interim government, and Mr. Dr. Yunus is the chief advisor of Bangladesh. And I hope Bangladesh will be very soon, it is really famous in the world. And another thing I can mention here, that is Bangladesh cricket team. It is also famous in the world. Bangladesh cricket team maximum time maybe they are losing team, but we are proud for Bangladesh cricket team. And Bangladesh that's called this defense ministry also so good and so strong. And Bangladeshi peoples are used to go other countries to for work, and they are earning foreign currency also. And Bangladesh have 64 districts and 8 divisions. And Bangladesh election commission there is one, and recently they are going to maybe give this election, and our people very enjoy this election. All the most thing is that I proud for Bangladesh, and this Bangladesh have won so many beautiful cities. For example, Dhaka, Chittagong, Sylhet, Khulna, Rajshahi, etc. And Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. All economics work maximum time used to do there, and government maximum time their rule and regulation try to make this one Bhavan, that is called Sangsad Bhavan. Our 300 members are elected by election. They used to go there, and they are trying to make our country very much beautiful. And our all education system also very nice. We have so many universities, that is called for example Dhaka University and Chittagong and Shahjalal in Sylhet. That's all for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.